Do hidden costs mean paying double for your home?
For those of you looking at home ownership and worried about unexpected financial drains, this video is for you.
We'll reveal 5 hidden home buying costs and arm you with clear numbers for protection. Point 1. Taxes and insurance could double monthly payments. You bought your dream home, the mortgage is £1,000 a month.
But property tax could add another £250.
Home insurance, another £100 monthly.
Already, that's 35% more than expected.
This hurts first-time buyers or budget-conscious buyers most.
Calculating these before making an offer is key.
Skipping such vital estimates is why typical guys often fail you.
In London, many misjudge taxes, making homes 40% more costly than the list price over 30 years.
Listener discretion is advised. Lending sites often overlook regional taxes.
Avoiding the real truth in numbers buries you in debt sooner than planned. We've done the practical sums for you, saving pennies well now. Stick with us while we break down these costs,
Shining light on where savings hide.
Point 2. Maintenance and repairs. Maintenance can become a big money pit. Let's imagine you're spending 1% of your home's value on yearly maintenance. If your house costs $300,000, that's $3,000 a year.
Over a decade, you've waved goodbye to $30,000.
Not funds people often account for upfront. Then there are unexpected repairs. A new roof, easy $7,000. A burst pipe,
Around $1,500. Speaking of disasters, homeowners insurance sheds a different light.
say your premium is $1,200 annually.
That's the price of a holiday, which might feel like a bad trade if luck's on your side. But imagine the chaos if it's not.
Point 3. Taxes and insurance.
Let's move on to property taxes.
They depend on where you live.
In some US states, this could be 2% of your home value each year. With that saying $300,000 home, you're looking at $6,000 per year.
Well, that adds up $60,000 over 10 years.
Now, I know this sounds like a recipe for financial heartbreak. But don't rush to sell your house just yet. After all, it's not all doom and gloom. Up next, let's uncover an action plan to tackle these expenses smartly. Point 4. Let's map out a tangible action plan you can start today. Begin with a 30-day budget review. Track every expense linked to home ownership, like mortgage payments, utilities, and unexpected repairs.
You might find surprising tweaks like higher utility bills in winter or a pricey roof fix you hadn't accounted for.
Next, set aside 1% of your home's value annually for maintenance. For a $300,000 home, that's $250 monthly.
This cushions against surprise expenses over time.
Now let's tackle the strongest objection: I can't afford to save now. Consider trimming non-essentials even by 5%.
Redirect those funds toward this maintenance buffer. Remember our opening question. Hidden costs won't double your price if you plan. You gain control through awareness and action. Finally, if this level of detail helps clarify your financial path, do consider subscribing. We'll delve into more strategies that make every penny work harder.